There it is. It's the Kennedy Space Center bus getting ready to get on that. Start our exciting weekend. It's Friday. It's about 50 degrees outside. It's really cold. I need to put on my jacket, but oh, it's backwards. It's not very good. Hey, yeah! But got my credentials for the solar launch, for the solar orbiter launch. The Atlas V rocket going up Sunday night. It's Friday morning now. It's super cold and it's windy. I'm gonna go get that bus and go check out Kennedy Space Center. Let's go.
I paid way more than they were doing no, because I bought it with the game.
Oh my God. So I am standing where our space shuttle stood, and the only reason I'm not crying is because we got all these people around, and nobody wants to see a grown man cry. This is it's amazing. You almost forget that it's actually still a working building. There's still people in here working. There's some of the space shuttles that were here. So I guess we're leaving here. I can't wait to see what else is on this tour. All satellite dishes.
And so this will be our 137th launch total for United Launch Alliance since we formed back in 2006. This will be our 82nd Atlas V launch since ULA's formation, so very exciting.
It's the center of our solar system, makes up 99% of it, provides us heat and light, the reason why we're here, the reason why we live, but it's also pretty dynamic and active and can be quite violent, and it produces a lot of interesting activity, huge explosions.
On the right hand side.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
I wish I could see what you guys see.
Huh?
I must just be blind.
We're here at Hangar AE.
At least in this facility. NASA in general is not. So you'll see, like in the LCC, the Launch Control Center, there are going to be more living space. Yeah. There's nothing really validating what the launch vehicle is doing. So essentially, like it's like a double check because NASA cannot purchase insurance for their.
I love that, you know.
I mean, like
That's what Jim Brunstein's producing.
I know. Yeah. But it's just an airplane.
You guys like sitting on each other's lap? Come on in, come on in. Come on in.
What do you think?
Love it. It's not as dark.
How many of you, this is not your first time here. Not your first time here. Yeah.
What we're gonna do is, I think maybe I'll tell you like a little bit about rockets maybe over here. Then we're actually gonna go into the Atlas Control Center where the guys would be with the headsets and, you know, just like the movies and all of that. And we're not doing anything in there right now, right?
No, sir, but no photos. We do have some screens up, but no
Yeah,
photos.
so you can't take pictures in there. And then maybe we'll just kind of sneak out the back door to where there's a couple of rockets like stacked up in the back of this building. Okay.
From what we understand from earlier, after this Delta Heavy, there will be no more, and everything will be shifting towards Vulcan.
There's 5 Delta Heavies to go. So that's number 5.
Yeah.
Later this year in September, we're going to fly the 4th to go. and then it'll be 321. And by 2023 or 24, depending on when that last spacecraft is ready, that's the end of the Delta IV Heavies. However, this rocket in a single core has more lift capacity than that guy does in 3 cores.
Wow.
And so Vulcan replaces both of these. So by 24 or so, Atlas will fly out, Delta IV Heavy flies out, and then we're only flying the Vulcan.
Hanging out outside the Atlas Center, the ULA Center, and brand new fanny pack that I'm going to wear till the end of time. So sorry all to my other fanny packs, but this one's like from space and stuff. So day 1 in the books. The social, NASA social. So day 1 in the books. Had a great tour. Tomorrow's a free day at Kennedy Space Center, and then the launch Sunday night. So yeah, just hopefully everything was filmed good. Well, anyways, check it out. We'll have some more Saturday and Sunday. And thanks to NASA and NASA Social, we're here for our free day here at Kennedy Space Center. There's a ton of things. I just want to go see Atlantis and maybe get some astronaut ice cream. Let's go.
I could, but I'm blocking people right now, see?
You're all good.
And getting ready to head out to Kennedy Space Center for the Atlas V launch tonight. Just launching this solar orbiter to the sun. We're going to study the sun. So heading out there. Launches at 11:03 p.m. tonight. I got to go to work in the morning. Yeah. Should I even sleep when I get home? All right. See you guys at Kennedy Space Center. So we are 15 minutes-ish away from the launch of the Atlas V. This is going to be launching the solar orbiter up to the sun. Behind me is the world famous VAB, the vehicle assembly building, where they built the they assemble all the rockets, including all the space shuttles. So we have a prime view tonight. Super excited. I can't wait to bring this all to you. If hopefully, God willing, technology willing. And I just want to get another shot of that VAB. a 82nd consecutive successful Atlas V launch for the ULA. 137th successful launch total for ULA. I can't even put it into words. Thank you, NASA Social, for 3 great days of I'll never forget this. I'll never forget what it, that just the sound, you've never heard anything like it in your life. And everyone's partying.